Good evening. I am making pizza today, and we're using ingredients.
What is your name?
Jay and Pop.
What are you going to do?
We need pineapple chunks and tomato paste and tomato ketchup.
Sauce.
And with ham and pepperoni and mushrooms, pineapple and cheddar cheese.
Okay.
And so today we're making pizza now. First we're gonna use tomato pastel
Paste.
paste.
This one. Tomato sauce. Okay.
Wait,
More. Sige pa. More.
ketchup.
Spread mo lahat sa lahat ng dough. Sa edge lahat. O equal ha, equal.
Okay na. Okay, first we need to use cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese. Pati papakamayin. This is the regular cheese.
O, scrape mo. Sige. Yan. Very good. Spread mo sa lahat. Sa gilid, sa baba. Yung mga wala pang cheese, lagyan mo. Kailan?
Is the ham and pepperoni. What's that? First, and next is the pepperoni. And next is the mushroom, but only a little bit.
Okay.
Last one is pineapple. You have to put it. Okay, is this milk? There one more. Okay na po.
So what's next?
And next, we have to put it on the oven.
And bake it for how many minutes?
How many minutes?
Okay,
First-
Kian. Oh, what's next?
First, we have to bake it, but put it in the oven.
Okay, put it on the oven. How many
10 minutes.
For 150
150
degrees.
temperature.
Oh, muna. Preheat muna. Oh, go.
What
Switch to 20 minutes. Sige,
10 minutes?
10 minutes.
10?
Go, yan. And then next, we're gonna do, anong gawin natin?
Wait.
Mag-wait. Ng?
Pizza.
Okay, so what's next?
First, you have to grate the pizza, but I cannot grate it because it's so hot.
Okay.
It might burn my hand.
Okay, wait. And what's that?
It's my delicious pizza.
Yun yung first...
Homemade.
Homemade. Yun yung first homemade mo.
I want the rest is how it to my mommy.
Ayan po, tunghayan po natin ang first pizza
I will pick
made
this.
by Chef KN. Tingin. Tingin ng cheese. Kumaano. Hanap ng mga pizza.
Still
You
too
see the
hot.
slice?
I need tissue.
Ano, kumusta ang lasa? Masarap? Yan po, witness niyo po ang first pizza ever made ni KN dito sa bahay. Yan po ay Hawaiian inspired. Hawaiian din. Ano ito? Hawaiian nga yun, ano?
Ito mapalot. Ako po nagluto yan.
KN, smile. And thanks ikaw sa mga nanonood.
Mag-thank you ang sa nanood.
Thank you po.
Okay. Ah, di kay.
Ha?
Ano ang lasa? Okay. Sa pa nga. Iinitan to kasi KN.